to be looking for some signs of the impact on the leftmost part of the...
Standing by with mid-infrared changes.
The left side of the shadow, right below the dimpled crater on the larger crater rim.
Flight, this is Science. Make the rate changes. MIR 1, 1 Hertz. MIR 2, 0.1 Hertz. Over.
Copy, Science. Command Flight. MIR 1 to 1 Hertz.
Sending MIR 1 at 1 Hertz.
And the science team is directing the flight team to adjust the sampling rate of some of the instruments to fit within the 1 megahertz.
Ready with MIR 2 at 0.2, at 0.1.
The 1 megahertz signal limit.
Go flight. Command Flight. Send MIR 2, 0.1 Hertz.
MIR 2, 0.1 Hertz. Sending command.
Flight confirm receipt of command, over.
Copy that, payload. All stations, flight 1 minute to transition to DV mode.
Transition to DV mode, which is Delta V mode, actually is a control mode for the spacecraft. It allows us to slew much more quickly, to continue pointing at this suspected Centaur impact point, even though the shepherding spacecraft will be impacting a couple of kilometers away. This is the last minute before the shepherding spacecraft also impacts the surface of the moon, and the last minutes of flight. We're watching the remaining few seconds of the LCROSS mission as we approach very rapidly the surface of the Cabeus crater.
Mark, transition to DV mode.
Flight,
Confirm crater
NIR 2, OPR change request. NIR 2 to OPR 10. Over.
Is that November?
NIR 2 to OPR
Yes, confirm.
10.
November.
Ready?
Command Flight. Send November IR 2 to OPR 10.
Command sent.
Flight payload confirm receipt of command.
Copy, payload.
These are
Stand by for shepherding spacecraft impact.
the very last seconds of the shepherding spacecraft trajectory as it approaches the lunar surface. We are seeing very small craters within the crater.
We confirm a thermal signature of the crater in our mid-IR cameras. Over.
Copy, Science.
We just
All
received
stations flight, shepherding spacecraft impact. Stations report LOS.
the ground stations at Goldstone just reported
Last
a
track is
termination of telemetry.
11:35.054 seconds.
The shepherding spacecraft has hit the surface of the moon, and this marks the end of the LCROSS flight mission.
Okay, all stations flight. Great job. First step 179, complete closeout of your flight products and get them on MDPS.